So good morning, Josh with Content Marketing Media. Just going to walk you through a new workflow we built today that really gives you the ability to dive through, once you have a website, anything you want to know about a potential ICP and really narrow down your leads to the people that you actually want to reach out to. So let me show you in this particular workflow. What we did is we did an import to find local businesses using Google Maps. You can plug in into your search query and the number of results, and that comes straight into your Clay table. And so you can see that right here. If you dive in, you can see more detailed information. This search we did was content marketing in Phoenix, Arizona, which is where we're at. That's why our company comes up. And you get the columns you want, like website, number of views, address, average rating, etc. So the next thing we did is we went in and we used Cohere, which we connected directly to the workflow. And we have a prompt here. And this prompt, what it does is it says, here's your research scope. I want you to analyze whether or not these companies do ads or SEO. We told it to look for some specific search terms. And then we ran that through Cohere. And so we did that. And we get back, do they meet those search criteria, right? From the website, are we finding out whether or not they do SEO and ads? And so we exported that to a JSON table. And then we have a nice clean table. And so added a little formula in here to summarize it. So did they do either one? And then we wanted to take that a little bit further. So we added a second prompt and we said, we want you to go deeper, but this time we want to know if they do any of these things, they're disqualified. And this is really where the power of Cohere comes in, because we said they don't mention content marketing. They mention Facebook ads, some reverse negatives there. They don't have pricing. They don't have a product less than $19.99. And then we even said, if the following keywords are mentioned, they're automatically disqualified. Facebook, TikTok, Ahrefs, right? So very intentionally specific. And this could be anything, right? But we're just determining, are they further qualified or not qualified as being part of our ICP? And what's nice with Cohere is the power of Cohere. You can just see the output, right? So here we go. The provided URL does not explicitly mention content marketing, and the phrase Facebook ads is used on the page, so they're disqualified. Another one, the service provider is mentioned as offering social media management, specifically Facebook ads. I also could not see anything on their website. There's a mention of product listed at $2.99 a month. So very specific criteria that meet what we're trying to accomplish. And then again, we output to Cohere and we say if they're qualified, yes or no. And then the nice thing is we combine the output of the first one and the second one to determine whether a qualified lead. So all of this combined is really giving us the ability to pull in information via website and then dive deeper to see if these people meet our needs. And this is a great combination of research to develop and determine your ICP before you go enrich leads, before you go do further outreach. So hopefully this will help you. I'll share the prompt, but you can obviously easily go in there and manipulate them to your services and get the results you need.